You are very sexy.
Very handsome, very sexy.
I need to get a story every day, and I just need to run into it. And so it started here. Are we buying shoes now? What's going on?
خدا با ماست.
These shoes in Iran, 3 million tuman. $500.
Come on.
500.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I think I paid $50 for them.
No.
All right, guys, good coffee shop.
The head,
Okay.
keep right. Cool watch.
Sipples.
Sipples.
So the process is finding people that are interesting and speak English to get them on camera, to get that closer story of Iran. And, well, it's not always an easy process. Like right now I'm just walking around. I'm going to go to a coffee shop and hopefully something comes up there. So their currency, they have tomans in rials. Toman is basically 1 0 less. And the notes are high denominations. That's not even a huge one, is it? Oh, okay, that's a 500,000 rials. So they call it 50 tomans. In the beginning, it's just impossible to get it right. So sometimes you give the wrong amount. In many countries, someone would take an opportunity in that. Not in Iran. It's amazing. I've gotten change back, even from taxi drivers. As a traveler here right now, it's insanely cheap.
The plane ticket,
Yeah.
around $20.
Everything, taxes.
All of them.
For example, I spent 3 nights in a beautiful guest house, took a flight, VIP bus, 3 breakfasts, and a taxi ride. It cost me $110. It's just their currency has gotten absolutely hammered. I'm sure there's some people making a lot of money right now because of that, but the vast majority are getting squeezed hard. It came as a little bit of a surprise to me that the infrastructure is so good here. The roads are good. The highways are good. The inter-country flights, good. Using the internet on your phone, really fast connections. There are 2 types of people here. I'm going to oversimplify it. And that can be said for everywhere in the world right now. I feel like it's going more in that direction where There's those that want to stick on to the old, and there are those that want to progress and want change. And so you feel that, I think especially in the woman, they break off in those two directions. There's many different ways from those two directions. There's a huge split there. The women are not shy here. In the cities, from my experience in the cities. Assertive, but not in an aggressive way at all. Like very, just confident, just would walk right in and start talking.
Just walking along, and this very nice young woman, Zara, invited me to sit.
Thank you.
And then her sister is over there with her beautiful kids.
I was like, okay, here's how this is gonna go down. She's looking to get a free ride. I'm gonna pay for the horse and carriage ride. She might be in it with the man here in charge of the operation. Got it, whatever, I'll settle on that.
I think so too.
We got off. She got into her wallet immediately and went to pay him. I said, no, I can pay. She's like, no. And they have this tradition here, taruf, where they go back and forth. Like, no, you pay. No, I'll pay. No, you pay. No, I'll pay. Usually goes like 3 times. But I did that, and she refused, and she paid. As a traveler, there's zero hawking. There's zero walking down the street and someone coming at you trying to push a hard sale. They don't do that here. And you're not getting ripped off. So you don't have to do all this bargain bullshit. Those are 2 huge bonuses in the culture when traveling in Iran.
Instead of Los Angeles, Tarantulas.
من تعقیدم تو یاری با حرفای دروغم موندی تو که حتی یه دفعه قلب منو نشوندی نمیدونم اما
You are cool. You're cool.
Oh, man.
You do wheelies on your bike in front of mosques. That's cool.
This young woman, Farize, she found me on Instagram. She wanted to meet up.
What are your dreams in
To our
life?
life, to feeling comfortable. Because of situation, we have to control and handle the life. Nowadays, people in my country aren't happy as usual because of the bad situation that we have about our economy.
What are the conversations at home? You guys try to avoid all this stuff, or you talk about it all the time?
Talk about it all the time.
How much has the price of chicken gone up?
50%.
Since when?
4 months ago till now.
Do you know the price of gold?
Today, I didn't check it
But most people check the price of gold regularly.
every day.
So gold is like the big form of savings here.
Yes, yeah.
Interesting. This is beautiful. Look at this. And it stays cool in here in the summers and warm in the winters, right?
And social life, I have lots of friends. Every night we go out
Wait. Every night you go out with your friend.
for 5 to 30 minutes, just walking. Guy, I'm
She was very sweet. She was very cool. Lots of educated people. It's a culture that likes to go into the philosophy of things. They think deeper on many subjects. They have Rumi, they have Hafez. This is the philosophy that's touched the world.
Your name is Terene. It means music or song.
These are not all of my ideas, but these are just portraits. Yeah, because I have to save money and then do my art, do paintings,
Cool.
travel, and everything.
So bright, so much wisdom for that age, so much depth.
That was a book about Van Gogh. Do you know Van Gogh?
Sure.
Yeah,
He was mad, huh?
yeah, but I love him. He did what he wants, you know, in his life. He did.
No, I'm saying not just Iran, I'm saying in general, the world. Do you think most people do what they like to do?
I think not most people.
Yeah?
Not what they want, really. Not what they choose. Because of many reasons.
You like it?
You guys speak English so damn well. It's ridiculous.
Thank you.
Farsi to English, I think, is an easier transition than most languages. So their accents aren't harsh. So that it sounds good.
It's just you and me, bro.
You gonna go teach classes in Germany and France, or what?
Hopefully, yeah, if I get the chance.
And a lot of people know English, which makes it super easy to travel. And Amin is this young guy. He's got this energy sort of pulsating out of him.
They are marching to you.
It's a battlefield.
No.
Battlefield of beauty.
Thank you. American ladies, I just wanted to tell you I love you, you all American guys, ladies. And yeah, I don't know why this guy is just zooming it in and out. But anyways, I love you. Yeah. Who's driving, bro?
میشه قربانیه وحشت من بوز نشد
هنوزم مشترک هستی همین خوبه
Listen.
I have a lot of story. Oh, my name is Mohsen. I want to know you more. And is it go big?
Mo, super charismatic guy.
Love at first sight.
Oh, yes.
For you.
Yes.
For you.
Well, he started this guest house.
The first word was, what do you want?
He loves people. He's great with people.
In 1 month, the relationship grew up.
Constantly there, connecting, entertaining.
How many calls?
2000.
And so we went on a drive one day. He went to drop me off at a park and put on My Way by Frank Sinatra. And that was my father's song. And we played that at my father's funeral. It comes out every once in a while, that song. And it was special. It was really beautiful how he started singing and listening to it, and it felt like I was traveling with my father for a bit. So it was like transmitted through Mel. Yeah, so surreal, beautiful. As an American talking with Iranians, a lot of common ground. The culture, yeah, the cultures are very different. But the sense of humor is not that far off.
You've been silent for 5 seconds. You're scaring me.
It's such a hospitable culture. People are glad you're here. They're interested in you. They want to know your story. They're fun. Iranians are very easy to connect with.
They are my yoga students, and they are relaxing in meditation.
And you're a yoga teacher?
Yes.
What kind of yoga?
Hatha yoga.
Is it popular in Iran?
Yes. And many people do it, especially women. And this is Sarvangasana. That's a park especially for women in Tehran. That's called Heaven of Mothers. You can go there without a scarf.
آتشی بنشانی جا